What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Fort Myers, Florida. As you can see, I'm right here on the waterfront in Fort Myers. Lots of bridges going over the, I don't know how to say it, Chattahoochee or something like that, river. Someone in the comments can try to give me the correct pronunciation, that'd be great. But anyway, we're gonna head over towards the downtown, First Avenue, and we're gonna try and get over to Fort Myers Beach. It is about 45 minutes to an hour to get there from downtown Fort Myers, where I'm at right now. I also signed up for Marriott Bonvoy. I'll try to put a link below. I don't know if they have a rewards program or not, but this Luminary Hotel is by Marriott. I'm staying there, but I used my Marriott points, so it does pay to be a member of Marriott Bonvoy. Actually, I got those through American Express. That's the link I'll put below. I found that to be very useful because that room tonight is around $500 to $800 tonight, but it only cost me 30,000 points, which I just earned by being a American Express holder. So that was good. Let's keep cruising here. All right, here we are coming up to First Street. This is the first part of the downtown area. It's like any other downtown area. Let's cruise this way. Capone's, Cabo's Cantina. What you're looking at, folks, downtown Fort Myers. Now, out here, they do have the Henry Ford and Thomas Edison house. Those properties, which is where I'm going to try and get out to those estates, see if I can, but just want to walk around here. Now you can imagine what this place would look like at night. With all the bars, craft beer, fired pizza. Kind of reminds me of St. Augustine, for those of you who saw our St. Augustine video. Try to put a link below. There's the Edison Theater. Yeah, Thomas Edison and Henry Ford had estates here. Wow, look at this tree. Is this a gumbo tree or is that a banyan tree? That is a big tree. Right in front of the main street. Something. Government building, maybe? All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go towards the River District, which is actually in the direction of the Ford and Edison estate. Right there on the river. All right, this is Cooper's Landing. Lots of boats right next to Joe's Crab Shack. We're still heading over towards Riverwalk, but Edison and Fort Estate. All right, so we've made it to the Edison and Fort Winter Estates. There's the entrance. Let's go inside there and see how much it's going to cost. Yeah, we've made it. Right, this is the old museum here. His most profitable product, battery. So it turns out Henry Ford's dad didn't want him to work on motors. He wanted him to be a farmer. Invent 300 and Westinghouse at 300. This is Thomas Edison's chemistry lab. Oh wow. Chemical processing area, huh? Ford's home. Edison's primary home here. And just so you know, it's $25 per person to visit. That's a self-guided tour. If you want to do a guided tour, it's just $5 more, puts it at $30. But beautiful estate. Okay, we are across the street now. So this is where the actual houses were, the main estate. Across the street, obviously over there, where the laboratory is. We also put the museum there to invent and create and develop automobile. So if you were to be a guest at Edison's house, this is where you would stay. This is the Edison guest house. All right, guys, we have made it down to Fort Myers right here. You could call it a boardwalk, but it's not boards. It's more like paved. Anyways, we're going to show you guys around Fort Myers Beach. What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Fort Myers. Let's do this. All right, Fort Myers Beach. Let's see, there's the pier, clock tower, Fort Myers Beach. Some rough seas today. Yeah, so Fort Myers Beach is about 45-minute drive from regular old Fort Myers. Holy moly, look at this. Oh my gosh. That's wild.
Oh my God.
Down here to this Pierside Grill and get a beer. You guys say I hit up this Pierside Grill and get some drinks. We got a bar out here or what? Yeah, gangland. So what we're going to do is we're going to head out onto the boardwalk here and then hit the beach. There's lots of action down here, but what we really need to do is get on the beach. That was some good food. I had some calamari and like 4 beers. Yingling. You guys ever had a Yingling? It's an East Coast beach time out. This is like the Daytona Beach of the West Coast. So Fort Myers Beach is a part of the Fort Myers metro area. So we got another bar and we're at the beach. I noticed as the evening starts, the beach just kind of falls asleep. What's going on here? It was a lot more umbrellas and activity in the afternoon. By the way, it's only a Tuesday, so that was a lot of activity for a weekday, although it is kind of like spring break. Well, let's go through here. And if you guys do enjoy videos like this, make sure you smash the like button. Hitting that like button helps out the channel, which helps encourage me to keep making more of these travel guides if you guys enjoy them. If you don't enjoy the travel guide, then don't even worry about it. Don't worry about it. was talking to some guy, he said, hey, be careful going too far out there, they got sharks. I was like, uh-oh. I don't know if he was serious or joking or what. It sounded like he was pretty serious. I guess shallow here, it's okay. But I will say this about this particular water, it's very turbid. Turbid water is what confuses sharks. They don't know what they're biting down on. They can't tell. So what a shark typically does apparently is it bites, it pulls, and then it swims away once it realizes you're a human. That's why most of them the shark attacks are just one chomp and then done, because they're like, oh, that's not what I was looking for. Because sharks apparently, they use their mouth like we use our hands. They just kind of feel things with their mouth. That is their hand. Now if you're on the other end of the handshake on that one, probably not too thrilled. Kind of reminds me of a panhandle town, like Pensacola Beach or Panama City Beach, considering how low it is, you know. Because my favorite place on the panhandle is probably Panama City. Destin's good, Pensacola's good. I like all of them actually for different reasons. But down south here, you know, you've got so many different places. They have that Sanibel Island, which I think is over there. That's a good place to go if you like seashells. I think Captiva Island is down there. Now, all right, what do we got over here? More hotels. I mean, there's hotels for miles and miles and miles. There's hotels right here, and you got hotels way over there. Cool thing about this place is they also have a what's that boat there? American flag. Oh, it says Let's Go Brandon. Okay, lots of those Let's Go Brandon flags out here. That's probably going to trigger a whole political conversation in the comments. I will say out in Florida, you're going to get a lot of that. A lot. They like that guy Brandon. I don't know if they like the person they're calling Brandon, but they like to use the words. Anyways, crazy times. What's this one? Oh, that looks good. The beach bar. Man, those Yingling got me good. They got me feeling real nice. This has more people on it than Miami Beach. I was just in Miami Beach last week. I see more people out here than I did on Miami Beach. I've been asking people, I say, hey, what's your favorite beach in Florida? Because there's so many. You know, I was like, I like Key West. Well, Key West doesn't really have beaches, but it has an island. There's Marco Island, which is north there. But, you know, there's Daytona Beach, Jacksonville Beach, Miami Beach, Clearwater Beach. So many beaches. And oh, taking pictures. I went right in front of their picture. Got some volleyball. What's going on over here? Let's go take a look. I mean, I could just walk this beach for hours. This is called the Lani Kai Island Resort. I think I heard about this. Let's go up in here, see what we got going on. Whoa! got a cannon.
Thanks.
It's a rocket. She really did have a cannon. And she caught it. She could catch and she could throw. Jeez. Who knew? The next MVP. The female football league. All right, so we got Club Ohana. Lani Kai is in, I don't know where Lani Kai is. I think it's Oahu. Ohana's family. So, I'm just cruising through the Lani Kai. What the hell is this place? I mean, what the L? What the L? You know, L is in Lima. Lots of music, lots of music. Anyway, yeah, this place kind of reminds me of Panama City. All right, well, perfect. Well, as you know, I got my cranberry and vodka now that I'm on the beach. Lani Kai, chilling out. You know, this Fort Myers beach, I like it. Good vibes. I'm having a good time. I'm at this Lani Kai place. No complaints. I hope you guys can come here. Cranberry and vodka. I've had a couple beers. Solo. I mean, I'm just people watching and just, I talk to people as they come up to me.